So I started out doing a PhD in human-computer interaction. That was cool, but I needed to earn some money. So I went and worked for Symbian, and I did lots of technical authoring for them. Got into standards and guidelines at the BBC, and finally was able to kind of bring UX and the kind of writing that I've been doing together in accessibility for the BBC. So I set all of the standards there, and yeah, I've just loved every minute of it. The main thing that I want people to take away from what I say is that accessibility is not all about guidelines. It seems a long way away from user-centered design for a lot of people, but that is absolutely not what it's all about. Accessibility is all about usability, it's about user experience for people with disabilities, and as a user research goal, trying to find out as much as possible about their needs, their preferences. That is the thing that makes products accessible to disabled people. So the biggest myth about mobile accessibility is that it's for disabled people. Fundamentally, mobile accessibility is for all of us. So, how about this? You're in the car and you want to know the text that someone sent you. Should you be looking at the screen? I don't think so. You should be looking at the road. So you are situationally, visually impaired. You want something to read that to you, or else you are not being a good citizen of the road. What would do that? Well, actually, the screen reader that a blind person needs for that situation all of the time. You're in a pub with your mate and you're trying to watch YouTube and it's really noisy. You haven't got your headphones with you. What do? You turn on the captions and that makes the YouTube video work for you. Now, hey, that's what people with hearing impairments want all of the time. You're on holiday and you're trying to finish writing a book like I was doing a while ago. The sun is too bright on the screen of your laptop and everything's bleached out. You want accessibility settings to say, well, hey, I don't just need to amp the contrast up, I maybe need to put it as white on black so I can see what on earth I'm doing. The biggest myth about mobile accessibility is that it isn't for all of us, because it absolutely